County in north central Montana, southwestern Hill County in north central Montana, northwestern St. Louis County in north central Montana, until 4:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:56 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southeast of the Navy, or 21 miles northwest of Fort Benton. 45 miles per hour. Hazard 70 miles per hour with a gust sending all-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Riddell and Loma. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.